Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to teach you how to track your email. Now click New Email and add that to, which is basically the email account that we will send this email to. Now after adding the two, add any subject, add anything inside the body. Now in order to track this email, we need to enable few things. The first thing is the confirm delivery feature, and the second thing is confirm reading feature. So go to the options menu, and from here you can see request a delivery receipt and request a read receipt. Check both of them and now click send. Now this email will be sent to the user. I have sent it to myself just to check things out. Now we have 467 emails. Now there are 468 emails. This is the email that we have seen already. And now I open the email. Now I should receive a delivery receipt from Microsoft Outlook, which indicates that the reader did receive, as you can see, delivered. The reader did receive, your message has been delivered to the following recipients, which is Ashraf, and this is to confirm that we did receive the email, or the one that I'm sending the email to did receive it. Now we already opened the email, and this is a very good thing because now after the person reads the email, we will receive another email indicating that this email was read on Saturday, November 13th, and the exact time and location. So we have a delivered and a read receipt. These two pieces of information are very crucial when it comes to business deals, because when you are sending email to someone, you need to make sure that he got this email, he opened this email, and this is a very nice feature. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.